This video is my part 2 of my health issues. I had my post-surgery appointment with the Royal Eye and Ear Hospital last Wednesday, the 5th of November. And first, the technician said my vision is good. But when the doctor saw me, the specialist, he said that I'm really so nearsightedness. And he said that I have glaucoma. He even asked if did any of the specialists before mentioned that you've got glaucoma, and I said I don't remember. So he said I have to see my optometrist and buy a new pair of reading glasses. So at first I was, and he also asked me if in my family, if I remember there has been a case of with glaucoma. But all I can say and remember is that the older brother of my mom, he got blind because of his diabetes. That's all I know. And then the doctor said, you have to buy a new pair of reading glasses. And good, I was able to mention it to Joshua. Hi Joshua, my carer. May God love to you. And he said, do you know, Nana, that you just have to diet or reverse, because the glaucoma usually is the result of diabetes. So if you've got high sugar, that's the danger of having glaucoma. So I was quite relieved with that, and I'll try to lessen my sugar intake and eat more yellow food and prayers. Hopefully the glaucoma will not progress quickly as I age. And so I'll schedule going to the optometrist or Specsavers, because if I missed asking the doctor a referral, because if I go to Dr. Royd house, he might not see me without the referral letter, or gonna ring the hospital to ask if they're going to send me the referral. Otherwise, my option is to go to Specsavers, because they do not ask for any referral. And my second issue is about my brain CT scan, which was done yesterday with Gio, my carer. Shout out Gio. And Joshua was my carer yesterday, and the eye surgery, it was Gio. And when I started to lie down, I felt really dizzy. So they have to adjust the bed, and then I also asked for a pillow underneath my legs. And I prayed a lot that I'll be able to cope up and finish the procedure. Good, the procedure was just very quick, maybe more than 10 minutes. So I got through, thank God. And the doctor said in 2 or 3 days they're gonna forward the result to my local doctor. So I'm praying, please pray for me guys, all my viewers, that the result is not alarming because my local doctor said, since you have got a history of cancer, we have to check about because I was complaining I had pain and here in this spot here and the back of my head, and this started maybe quite a long time. It was really painful, and then lately I would feel the pain quite frequently. So Ginalyn and my son said, you have to see your doctor so you can have it checked. And when I went to Dr. Yu, my local doctor, he immediately issued a referral letter because he said you've got history of cancer, so we need to be hasty or fast in referring you to the brain CT scan. So I had it done yesterday, guys. I'll know within 3 days, 2 to 3 days, the result. And I'm praying very hard that there's nothing wrong with my head. Maybe just the weather, or maybe it's just arthritis or rheumatism. And so far, those are my health issues, the current ones. And I'll schedule my visit to the optometrist to buy a new pair of reading glasses because these ones got really no grade, just a little bit. I just got this from a Vietnamese shop. So that's all, guys. Thanks for listening to my video. See you again in my other videos and live. Bye for now. Take care. God bless everyone.